ketemu lagi channel saya BTK Vlog. Oke, hari ini saya berada di Kampung Dormena ya, di arah Depapre. Nanti jalannya ini lewatin Amay, terus saja ikutin jalannya itu. Nanti ada kampung ya, di situ lah. Nanti ada tugu ini, ada tugu sebelah. Oke, kita mau terbangkan drone di sini. Keindahannya sini, pantainya cukup bagus. Oke, pasti penasaran teman-teman kan? Nah, oke, ikutin terus video ini sampai habis dan jangan lupa subscribe dan tekan loncengnya agar video-video selanjutnya tidak ketinggalan. Oke teman-teman, kita langsung aja ya.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.